G'day legends, Jed here from the Weekends Build. Today we're going to be doing a bit of a servicing on Brucey. So let's go and have a look. So today we're going to be doing, so we got oil change. So what we're going to start with first is we'll get the oil draining, get the filter off, let it finish draining, and we'll continue on with the rest of the stuff. So unfortunately, being a bit of a low car, it's a good bit of fun laying down here. On a different note, yoga mats. Good ad hoc mat to lay on the floor when you're laying on it. Just don't tell the wife or the missus. As you can see, you know, we'll just razz the socket out. Filter's just there. Let it drain, and we'll just go from there. Just a bit of friendly reminder, people, you don't need to do your sump plugs up like a freaking gorilla. They don't need to be that tight. So I got the plug out. Not too many nasties on it by the looks of it. So we'll let that drain and we'll worry about the filter in a minute. G'day legends. It's Jed here, welcome back to the Weekends Build. So day 2 of the servicing of the Cressida. Yeah, didn't plan enough time for yesterday, so what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be taking the filter off, putting the sump plug back in, and all that good fun stuff. So you'll probably see some water in the drip tray there. That is from where I had to drop the top radiator hose off yesterday to drop the belt off, the serpentine belt for the accessories off, so I could get access to the bottom couple of bolts on the clips for the rotors and caps. So fingers crossed today's going to be an easier day. Well legends, trying to get this oil filter off now. Didn't bother filming it because I thought, oh yeah, it'd be a nice, quick, easy. Just use a filter spanner and pull it straight off. Yeah, nah, that didn't happen. Had to use the old punch a big screwdriver through the filter trick, as you can see there, to get it off. So yeah, I'm only just feeling the tail end of it. So, new filter, same as the one that's just come off. A little bit of clean oil on your seal there. You can see it's all nice and shiny. And then we just screw the bad boy back on. Find the angle of the dangle. Now what I've always been shown is you can feel it go tight and probably a quarter of a turn after that. Now I know everyone's shown differently, so it's up to you how you do your filters. One thing is they don't need to be on super duper fucking gorilla tight, because they will tighten over time with the heat cycles of the engine. Alright, there's the filter on. Now I'm just going to put some oil in. So legends, I'm just using some Penrite. Got it down from a local super cheap. Just using their little computer that they have there. Just punch in what I had, and this is their recommendation, so we'll just throw it in, measure it all up. So since I don't have a funnel for this, let's see. Everyone can watch how badly I pour this now. Not having a funnel. Actually, could just jerry rig an old can or a bottle or something. Rightio, I'm back. Just jerry rigged an old water bottle as an ad hoc funnel. Let's see if I can still spill it everywhere. or gave it my best shot. So this engine takes just on 5 litres of oil. So yeah, I know how boring this can be, sitting here watching paint dry. So we'll check our oil. See that all the way up to the full line. I've already checked it a couple of times, so you just get to see the money shot. Beautiful. Righto folks, well that's how to do an oil change. So coming up further, we'll show you how to do plugs and leads on Brucey. Mez will be running with the tyre change stuff coming up soon. But until next time, please hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.